pre-running. Everything's going great. Yesterday was awesome, fabulous views. Everything we have on course maps and everything's great to go. Rugged radio system, Polaris Razor, everything's working really well.
We're here dialing in the GoPros for Wayne's Pro R. It's gonna be a fun day pre-running. Let's go.
So all done here at Catavina, getting ready to start the day, and we're gonna head to Bay of LA. I'm gonna jump in my pre-runner back here and just have a good old time in Baja. Can't wait to get started. Actually a little bit chilly. Just a little bit. Just enough to have a goosebump. Just one goosebump. Just getting ready to edit some of the lead nav notes because I skipped over a little bit of a section for editing. I didn't want to stop and do it, so we're just going to do it right here because it was just right back there, and Wayne's going to help me edit this.
So I put the stay right to the lake bend right there.
Thank you.
And a hard right there. Cool.
We just wrapped up our day of pre-running. We ended up in beautiful Bay of LA. I always forget how spectacular it is. It's absolutely gorgeous here. The views are just breathtaking, but we had a great day. We're just gonna wrench on the cars just a little bit just to double check the nuts and bolts and be ready for the morning.